Learn English with your Instill.
Hi, Sarah. Are you learning English?
Hi, David. Yes, I am.
Why do you want to learn English?
English helps you to grow in your career.
That's great. How are you learning English?
I'm using a language app. It's really helpful.
That's cool. Which app do you use?
I use Duolingo. What about you?
I like watching English movies. It helps.
That's a great idea.
I try to read English books. It improves my vocabulary.
Same. What do you listen?
I listen to English podcasts. They're so interesting.
I need to try that.
Do you practice speaking with anyone?
Yes, I chat with a friend online, and you?
I practice speaking with my tutor once a week.
That sounds helpful.
I watch YouTube videos for grammar tips.
I love that. I watch videos from a YouTube channel named Your Instill.
I keep a journal in English. It helps me write better.
Great idea. I should start doing that.
Have you tried language exchange?
Yes, it's fun. I learn a lot from native speakers.
I use flashcards to memorize new words.
That's smart. I should make some too.
Do you have an English-speaking friend?
Yes, we practice together. It's really fun.
I love singing along to English songs.
That's a fun way to learn pronunciation.
I write short stories in English to practice.
That's creative. I'll try that too.
I prefer reading books.
That's great. I also love reading.
I listen to English songs. It helps.
Me too. Do you sing along?
Yes. I also use an app to practice.
Which app do you use?
I use Duolingo. It's easy.
I love it. I should use it more.
Do you talk to anyone in English?
Sometimes with my friends, and you?
I practice with a language partner online.
That's smart. I should try that.
I take notes of new words.
Good idea. I'll start doing that too.
Have you tried podcasts?
Not yet.
Do you attend any English classes?
Yes, I go to a conversation class every week.
I follow English speaking accounts on social media.
That's a good idea. I should do that.
I try to think in English throughout the day.
That's a great way to improve fluency.
I practice with language apps during my commute.
That's smart. I'll do that too.
I watch English news to improve my listening skills.
That's a good way to stay informed.
Do you have a favorite English podcast?
Yes, The English We Speak. It's really useful.
I write down new words I learn.
That's a great way to remember them.
I join online forums to practice writing.
That's a smart idea. I should try that.
I enjoy playing word games in English.
Me too. They make learning fun.
I follow English learning channels on YouTube.
That's awesome. I follow Your Instill channel.
I try to use English in my daily conversations.
That's the best way to practice.
I read news articles in English every morning.
Great habit. It helps with comprehension.
I take notes while watching English videos.
That's a good idea. It helps with retention.
I love to join online language challenges.
That sounds fun. I should look for some.
I practice English pronunciation with tongue twisters.
That's a clever way to improve.
I watch English cartoons to learn casual language.
That's a fun way to learn.
I set small goals for my English learning.
That's smart. What's your current goal?
I try to use new words and sentences.
That's a great way to remember them.
I enjoy discussing books in English with friends.
That sounds interesting. I'd love to join.
I practice listening with TED Talks.
Good idea. They have so many topics.
I write emails in English to practice formal writing.
That's helpful. I'll start doing that.
I play English language video games to learn phrases.
That sounds fun. I need to try that.
I keep a vocabulary list on my phone.
That's a great idea for quick reviews.
I watch cooking shows in English.
That's creative. You learn and get recipes.
I practice English with a chatbot online.
That's cool. I didn't know that existed.
I often translate songs into English to understand them.
That's a fun way to learn.
I discuss current events in English with friends.
That's a great way to practice speaking.
I use English subtitles when watching movies.
That helps a lot with understanding.
I listen to English audiobooks while driving.
That's a good way to make use of time.
I keep a list of phrases I want to learn.
That's smart. It helps with conversation.
I attend local language exchange events.
That sounds like a great way to practice.
I watch English documentaries to learn more vocabulary.
That's a good idea. They're often very interesting.
What's your favorite method for learning English?
I think practicing speaking is the most effective.
Thanks for watching. Do like the video, share this to your friend, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.